Hello friends, let's see superhero action figures. Spiderman mask.
Superhero Spiderman.
Spiderman mask. Black Spiderman. Hacker. Hacker mask. Superhero action figure, it's a green Hulk. Wow friends,
Superhero Hulk.
wow friends, very powerful green Hulk. Hey friends, it's so fast superhero, it's a superhero Flash.
The Flash. Superhero.
Flash the superhero. Superhero action figure, the Batman.
Sorry ass DJ.
Wow friends, very cool superhero, Batman. Very cool superhero action figure, the Captain America.
Sorry ass DJ.
Captain America. Blue color Captain America Avenger.
Very cool superhero, it's a Iron Man.
Iron Man. Dancing Iron Man.
Wow friends, very cool. Wow friends, very cool superhero action figure, it's an Ant-Man Avengers superhero Ant-Man.
Red color superhero Ant-Man.
The next superhero is very cool superhero friends, it's a superhero, the Superman. Ooh. Superman the Avengers superhero action figure, Superman. It's a purple color superhero, it's a super villain, it's a Thanos.
Thanos.
Thanos the Avenger. Very cool superhero action figure. It's It's a Black Panther, Avengers superhero, Black Panther. Wow friends, it's a yellow and blue color superhero. It's a Wolverine. Very cool superhero. Okay friends, bye bye, like and subscribe.